Good evening, everyone. It is August 17th, 2017. We're doing a 2017 Leaf Autograph Football Jersey Edition one box break number 25. You get 2 random teams per spot each, and we get this going. Let's roll the dice. 4 and a 4, 8. 8 the hard way, 8 times on the list of names and teams. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. After 8 times, Karen is at the top, and we got Joe D at the bottom. All right, let's go 8 times now on the list of teams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 the final time. After 8 times, we have the New York Jets at the top. Chicago Bears are at the bottom. Gosh, that's a little too big. Karen, you got the Jets. Sam, last spot mojo with the Ravens. Allen with the Steelers. Joe D with the Vikings. Gregory, you have the Redskins. Regimal with the Seahawks. J-Mac with the Texans. Michael G with the Falcons. J-Mac with the Browns. Gregory with the Chargers and Cowboys. Allen with the Bengals. Michael G with the Rams. Regimal with the Chiefs. Jason K has the Jacksonville Jaguars. J-Mac with the Eagles. Todd, you have the Lions. Jason K with the Saints. Allen with the Broncos. Gregory with the Colts. Karen with the Cardinals. Allen with the Packers. Jonathan, you have the Giants. Edwin with the Raiders, J-Mac with the Titans, Jonathan with the Bills, Todd with the 49ers, Sam Last Spot Mojo with the Dolphins, Allen with the Patriots, Edwin with the Panthers, Allen with the Bucks, and Joe D with the Bears. Alrighty, guys. So, see if we get any trades going. So I'm going to pause the video, and if not, we will come back and pop open this case, so stick around. Alright, guys. No trades, so here's the list. Sam Last Spot Mojo with the Ravens and Dolphins, and good luck to everybody else in the break. So as you can see, here's the case right there. I'm going to open it up right over here just because it's a pretty big box, so you guys can see me on camera opening this up. There you go. Now, let's number them really quick. Alright. So now they're all numbered. 1 all the way down to 8. And let's generate one of these boxes. And it is box 8. Box right at the bottom is generated. So we'll be doing this one. These ones will be for future breaks, and I'll post another one back into the store. So here it is, box 8. Good luck. Nice. Alright, I know this guy. And we have Antonio Brown from the Pittsburgh Steelers. Nice autographed jersey right there. Here's the Beckett COA. Nice Antonio Brown. Nice jersey right there. That's going to the Pittsburgh Steelers and Alan Murdoch. Sweet. There you go, guys. Just like that. That's the break. That was Leaf Autograph Jerseys. One box break number 25. We'll post up number 26. Back into the store. $10 breaks. I'm Jason, and I'll see you guys next time.